I'm Todd Kosmerick, the University Archivist at NC State University. Come along with me on a historical tour of campus. Here we are at the Brickyard, one of NC State's hallowed places. In the early 1960s, this space was just a muddy expanse that separated the old Erdal-Cloyd Student Union from Harrelson Hall. Then NC State's physical plant workers paved the area with bricks to create a space that the school formally dedicated as University Plaza in 1968. The Brickyard is mostly covered with red and white bricks organized into a decorative pattern. It was designed by landscape architect and NC State College of Design graduate Richard C. Bell, with the Piazza San Marco in Venice, Italy, as his model. During construction, students arranged white bricks to spell the college abbreviation, NCS, and the university's Block S logo remains there today. Surrounding the Brickyard are several notable campus buildings, including Dabney Hall, Cox Hall, and Williams Hall. A green area to the east of the Brickyard features two listening vessels known as the wolf ears, which amplify sounds so that someone sitting in one can easily hear the person from a distance. For more than 50 years, the Brickyard has been the student assembly spot. Generations of NC State students have used the Brickyard as a gathering place for celebrations, political rallies and protests, concerts, special events, and a path to and from home and class.